Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the BMW 2 Series new versus old. We'll dive into the significant changes and enduring qualities of both generations. Understanding these differences is crucial for making an informed decision, whether you prioritize modern features or a more traditional driving experience. This comparison will highlight what each model brings to the table. Let's explore the evolution of this popular compact coupe. The newer BMW 2 Series models boast a refreshed aesthetic, often featuring a bolder front fascia and sleeker lines. Inside, you'll find a thoroughly modern cabin with a larger touchscreen display and the latest iDrive system. These cars also integrate cutting-edge safety and convenience technologies, like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist. Performance-wise, the updated powertrains deliver impressive acceleration and improved fuel economy, making them compelling choices for today's drivers. Conversely, the older generation of the BMW 2 Series is celebrated for its purer driving dynamics and more understated design. Many enthusiasts appreciate its hydraulic steering feel and the direct connection it offers to the road. These cars often have a slightly smaller footprint, contributing to their nimble and engaging character. For those seeking a classic BMW experience without the premium price tag of a new vehicle, an older 2 Series can be an incredibly rewarding option. Ultimately, deciding which BMW 2 Series is better depends entirely on your personal preferences and priorities. If you crave the latest technology, modern styling, and enhanced performance, the new model is likely your best bet. However, if you value a more traditional, engaging driving experience and a potentially lower entry price, an older 2 Series could be the perfect fit. Remember to test drive both to truly feel the difference. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.